Hello, I'm Georgia. I represent Mytilineos and I will make you an introduction to one of our pilots in the Athens pilot site. So this case is very interesting because the house has been built in 1970 while it has been renovated recently in 2022. So the whole equipment inside is new. I've chosen this pilot site because the family that lives has an interesting lifestyle. So the one parent works from home, and the second one he actually works outside the house almost all day. So it has nice changes throughout the day in terms of energy consumption. And there is also a small kid that lives in the house. So that's as well very interesting for the electricity currents that we'll be able to measure. So in that house, as in the rest of our pilot sites, we will install smart plugs, smart sensors, and smart lamps and gateways that will help us control the full system and acquire some data remotely. Hello, Thodoris.
Hello.
So you are the first pilot that is interviewed in
Yes.
the Greek pilot site.
Thank you.
So I would like to welcome you in the TWINERGY project.
Yes.
So this interview has a goal to actually meet you a bit better and introduce you in the consortium.
Yes.
So I would like to pose you some questions in order to understand your motivation and concerns about the TWINERGY project. So could you tell us more about your motivations
Yes,
for
of course.
joining this project?
My initial concern is the high price of electricity this year. The high electricity bills are not bearable for the average Greek household. Therefore, I would like to understand how we could reduce our energy consumptions without changing our comfort and our lifestyle. My second concern has to do with the protections of the environment. I would like to reduce our pollutions in order to tackle the climate change.
So the second question has to do with the equipment.
Yeah.
You have a part of the equipment, but soon you will have a full installation in your house. So I would like to ask you if you are familiar with this type of devices.
Yes, I am familiar with smart plugs and smart sensor. However, I don't know how these devices combined together would help me reduce my energy consumption.
So the third question has to do with your hopes about the project. So I would like to ask you, what do you want as an outcome from this project?
I hope that at the end of the project I will be more familiar with the concept of demand response, which will be very popular in the near future. I also hope that my family electricity bills will be lower. At the same time, I want to have good temperature inside the house.